Hi guys, just wanted to show you a spice that Spice Profile sent to me. This is ground cloves. Let's take a look at it. Ooh. Wow, it's really a dark, beautiful color, and you have no idea how good this smells. This is, wow, so fragrant. I'm really excited to try this. I'm just absolutely amazed at Spice Profile spices. It's, if you've not ordered fresh spices versus what you get in the store in those little containers, you'll be amazed because the aroma, the coloring, everything is just another level. So anyway, I'm really looking forward to cooking with this and baking with this. I also use cloves as a fragrance. I use Epsom salt and sprinkle cloves on a little glass jar of Epsom salt like this and sprinkle a little bit of cloves on it, and it makes a wonderful air freshener in your cupboards and wherever you need a little air freshener. Anyway, that's another little secret of mine. So anyway, hope that helps.